I have an object called user with name, age, and PAN number as properties. And in line number 7, I am deleting the name property. And then I am consoling the user object. You can see the output for the same in the console. So without the username value here, these values doesn't make any sense, right? So how can we make sure that this name property would be always existed? To know more about that, we need to know about configurable flag. Okay, let's see first what it is. So const flags equal to. So this method will take two arguments. One is current object, which is user, and then the property name, which is name in our case. Okay, let me console log the flags first. We got the three flags. So in which the first two flags are discussed in the other videos. So you can get the video links in the description. You can go and watch those as well. So for now we'll discuss about this configurable. Okay, if we make this as false, then the properties can't be touched. Okay, that means it can't be deleted basically. Okay, let's update that one. So object dot define property. So this will take three arguments. One is object, and then the property name, which is name, and then the object, okay, which has the configurable flag has false. Okay, and let me write the delete statement here, and then the console log statement. Okay, see, we are deleting the name property in the user object, but still we are showing the name property in the output. Okay, but at the same time we didn't get any error. To get the error, we have to be use strict mode. Okay, so let me show you that. So use strict. If I run this again, see, we got error, cannot delete property name. Okay, thank you for watching.